everybody. Welcome to my little corner where there's no wrong way to play with paper. I hope you're having a very, very blessed day. We are going to do another quilt block pattern in my quilt block series where I take quilt block patterns and I use my scraps of paper and I create scrapbooking layouts with them. Now I'm going to have a giveaway tomorrow because tomorrow will be the last video. It's going to be lots of fun, so I hope you'll join. I hope you've enjoyed the series. I have had lots of fun making some new layouts and just using up scraps. I mean, I love using up my scraps. Okay, so today we're going to do a bee, and basically this time around I've done this series, I don't know, several times, and you'll find the playlist if you want to watch all the quilt block layouts in the description. And this time I'm paper piecing, which means I create a quilt block that you would do, and quilters do this as well. But I am putting it on paper, I am fussy cutting it, and then making a layout. It's the first time I've done it that way. I've had a lot of fun. I like this method. It's a little bit easier, and I hope that you guys, like I said, I hope you guys are enjoying it. All right, so here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need 2 1.5 by 1.5 squares cut in half of a dark yellow and 2 of a light yellow. Then you're gonna need a 3 by 1 rectangle of black and a 1/2 by 2 rectangle of black, and then some black scraps, and that'll make more sense here in a moment. So we're just going to start off. I take a scrap piece of paper. I always have scrap of white. So take those papers that you're not fond of out of your paper pads, right? And use those. You just need something to glue this to. Now you could do this right on your layout if you wanted to, but like in today's, I'll show you an example of how I use it. In today's, I put it up on foam, gave it a little bit of dimension. Okay, so you're gonna take the first triangle, and I did ink the edges, and when we have it all together, it will make more sense. You don't have to do that. I did do it on this one. Now the giveaway, once I put these together for each day, I am setting one aside, and at the end of it, we're gonna do something fun. I can't even think. I'm saying, I don't know. I ain't got no, that's the next thing that's gonna come out. Anyway, at the end of this, we're gonna do something fun, and you're gonna get all of the quilt blocks that I have made through the series. There'll be 6 total. We've done, what did we do? We've done a bunny. We've done, what else have we done? I had to think about this for a hot minute. We've done a bunny. We've done 2 flowers, right? I wanna make sure I put this in the right direction. That's not right. Which way does this go? Which way does it go? It goes that way. We've done tulips, we've done blossoms, and we did one more. Oh my goodness, I can't even remember what we've done. I don't remember what it is. Not right this second. Yeah, tells you how crazy my life is. Okay, so what we're doing is we're making the body. It'll come to me. Watch. I'll be chatting. I say we. I'm here by myself. Does that make me crazy? I'll be chatting and I'll remember what it was. Now we need to create its wings. Okay, now we're going to create its wings. So we're going to glue them down, and we're inking in the areas against its body, just like that. Okay, so we'll glue this one down. We'll glue this one down, just like so. Okay, then we're going to take and we're going to put the rest of its wingspan on. Just triangles, right? If you've ever quilted, I'm not a quilter anymore, but I did quilt for a long, long time. Then you see in triangles, rectangles, and squares. I know I've said it lots, but that is honestly the way you see things. Okay, so here we go. And I will tell you, the more patterned your paper is, get out those scraps with patterns, the prettier the bee is. Just saying. Now, to create his little head, that kind of gives him a boxed in look. So what we're going to do is we're going to do what I call a tag cut. All right. We're going to take and we're going to cut this corners just a little bit. Save this corner here, just like you would when you make a tag from scratch with just a pair of scissors. Okay. And you're going to flip, make sure you flip this one over, and you're going to line it up on this corner, and we're just going to cut the other end. So we're just going to give it some tag corners, and that'll give it a little bit of dimension, shape, maybe is a better way, shape. See there? How much cuter that is. So then we're going to glue him down, and we're just going to eyeball where he goes. Try to put it in the center. And now we need to fussy cut it out. So let me fussy cut it, and I'll come back and I'll show you how I used it in layout, because I want you guys to know that you can use these. You're not just making this. This is just an oversized embellishment pretty much, and we're doing it with our scraps. So I'm gonna fussy cut it and be right back. Okay, so now I have him all fussy cut. I did take my brown ink and I went around the edges on the bottom here just a little bit because I had a little bit of a white edge showing. Inking solves everything, right? So let me show you what these are for when I show you my layout. So here's my layout that I've used. I made the exact same bee, exact same one. And then you're gonna take this scrap and you're gonna glue these down. You could glue them to the back if you wanted to. I'm not going to because I'm going to mail it to the winner, so I will just include this. Or you can glue it directly onto the paper, which is what I did because I put the little bee up on foam. How cute is he? He's so cute. I love this layout. This is Jilly Joe back in 2020. We're just hanging out in the car, you know, COVID, waiting for something, I'm sure. And so it was a lot of fun. You guys get out those scraps. I hope you're inspired to create. That is the whole point of this series for me, is to use up that pile of scraps that we all got everywhere, right? I do so much between making embellishments for swaps over on Ginger's Corner and projects like this that I don't have a ton of scraps considering how much I scrap, to be honest. I really don't. I mean, I have a stash, don't get me wrong, but it's very manageable, and it's because I do projects like this, and I hope that's working for you guys too. You could create a ladybug, right? You could do a red body and black wings. You could do a lot of different things. So think outside the box. Show me what you're creating. I'm going to, over on the Facebook group Ginger's Corner, have an album, and I want to see what you're creating. Make sure you put it in that album by clicking the media tab at the top of the page, and that way I don't miss it, because it's a busy page and I miss things, and I would love to see what you're creating. You guys, I hope you're very blessed. I hope you have an amazing crafty day. Come back tomorrow because we're going to have that giveaway where I give away all the different blocks that we've done this time out in the series. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.